Good morning, everybody, and welcome to MODEX. I'm Nick Longworth, the Manager of Robotics Solutions for SICK North America. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the depalletizing system that we're showing here at MODEX. A couple of different things that we're showing on here. First is our PLB system. That's what you can see up here on the screen. We're using that for 3D robot guidance. That is currently going to be telling the robot where these boxes are for it to go pick them with high accuracy to be able to place them effectively. In addition to that, we're showing our safety equipment. We have a MicroScan 3. We have some DTEC light curtains, along with a few other things. It's set up in such a way that we're doing a multi-zone protection of the robot. So if I were to go into one zone, like here, the robot would not be allowed to come in here with me. So it creates a cooperative situation. You can see the robot will stop, and it will wait for me to exit. I'm gonna go ahead and reset. Robot will continue. Creates a nice cooperative situation where the robot is able to continue running while somebody is tending a bay. In addition to that, this is also a product SICK can provide a full turnkey for. This entire cell, available in multiple configurations, whether it's 1 bay, 2 bay, with pallet conveyor, number of other things. And this is something that's able to make things easier for somebody to own a robot. We have this HMI that has created a user interface, allows anyone to work with the robot. There's no robot programming, no need to have a high-level vision professional to be able to do the 3D guidance for your depalletizing. All of it's built in. I hope you come see us and have a great day.